So in our previous video, we have learned about our editable splines and parametric splines. Now we will learn how to import splines in Cinema 4D and how to convert this parametric splines into editable splines. So for example, suppose if I created this text splines over here, then you can, as obviously you can type any text you want like this. Then if you want to convert this spline into editable spline like this, if I select pen tool and I can create this kind of spline. Now this spline is known as editable because we can select the point of this one and we can move wherever we want. That's why this spline is editable. But when it comes to this one, as you guys can see, it contains some parameters to change. So like the object, when we convert our object into editable object, similarly we can convert this text spline into editable spline with the help of C. So if I press C on my keyboard, as you guys can see, our this spline is now editable. You can edit it like this spline. Okay, so it's simple as that. And now we are going to talk about how we can import any spline in Cinema 4D. Okay, so we can import spline from Illustrator in Cinema 4D. For example, right now I have created this logo file over here in Illustrator. This is Nike logo, and if you see this, we have applied one stroke only. It doesn't have any fill color. So one thing you need to remember, that whatever you are going to create in Illustrator, make sure it contains only stroke, not any fill. Then you have to save this file. So I'll press Ctrl Shift S to save this file, and I'll save it over here. Let's replace this. And after saving that, this is the important option. That version is Illustrator 2020. What you need to do, simply go to the Illustrator 8 simply hit OK and hit OK. Then you need to locate that file. Like now my file is over here. Then all you need to do, simply select this file and bring those to Cinema 4D, and yes, and simply hit OK. So now as you guys can see, we have got this file into Cinema 4D from Illustrator. But one thing you need to understand, that the size of this one is going to be very small, because let's suppose to, if we have created this cube over here and if we compare this size, as you guys can see, the size is very small. So you need to increase the size. So simply press T and increase the size of this spline. So this is how you can create any kind of stroke in Illustrator, and then save in Illustrator 8 format and simply bring this stroke in Illustrator, so you will get this spline. So yep, that's it.